Let's make 계란후라이. Turn on the 가스레인지 first. Put some oil. I don't know why, but this fry pan look damn hot already. But this fry pan look damn hot already.
Stop! Stop! YT, we got poker. Bosky be brother poker. Of the boy, he tries to.
This looks very 위험해. 이게 맞는지 모르겠다. Let's add some salt. Oh, little bit of 후춧가루. I think it's ready to eat.
Stop! Stop! YT, we got poker. Bosky be brother poker. Of the boy. Stop! Stop! YT, we got poker. Bosky be brother poker. Of the boy. Stop! Stop! YT, we got poker. Bosky be brother poker.
Guys, I make a very crunchy fried egg. It's ready to eat. Oh shoot. You don't see anything.
Stop! Stop! YT, we got poker. Bosky be brother